Hello, and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel, where we do unboxes, plan with me's, and other things. And if you like that, please consider subscribing. Today, we got this bad boy. Want to see what's inside? Come join me. This is the End of Times special edition box. I got it from Twisted Retreats. And we're going to see what's inside. I forgot all the things that they said that was going to be part of. Oh, yay. Ooh. Okay, we got a bunch. Give me a second. All right. Alrighty. Okay. All right. Here we go. The End of Times. We have a book. We have several things. So let's go with. Let's do the book last. Let's open this baby first. I have no idea what it is. Up. Okay. 28 books later hanger. Okay. All right, there is that part. Oh, I see. Is this what? Nope. Huh. Oh, excuse me. That's how it hangs. Okay. So it's you hang it like so. And according to this, you can display books. Okay. Hanging up books. Okay. I get it now. So this would go on your wall and you'd put your books in here. Okay. I don't think I would do that myself, but that's just me. Interesting concept. Just not something I would use in particular. So, you know. All right, we have this. Romeo. I'm not. All right. This is. I think this is the Purge compression bag. Yes, this is the Purge compression bag. Okay. Pack your things in it for a day of the Purge. You're going to want to grab all your survivor gear and keep it compact in this exclusive compression bag by the Twisted team. Okay. Very light. Stuff goes in there like so. Okay. Interesting. Okay. All right. I can see use of that. This must be the coasters. I think I saw coasters in here. Shaun of the Dead coasters. Purple Rain, Blue Monday. Oh, wait. Oh, what is this? Is that what this is? Sade. The Stone Rose, Batman. Yeah, Shaun of the Dead. So these are the coasters. So they're little records. And they said, this one is the End of Time is no joke. The Shaun of the Dead adds some much needed humor at dark times. These exclusive coasters were designed by a Twisted team. Okay. Interesting that they look like little records. Okay. All right. I can get that one. Let's see here. RGB full color clock? Oh, this must be the Doomsday Clock. Okay. your eye on this exclusive Doomsday inspired clock. You don't want to. Oh, that's right. You don't want it left. Let it go to 0. Okay. Oh, that's wild. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Huh. And that's okay. So I can take these off and put these on top. I don't like this. Okay, so that's what this is for. I was trying to figure out for the life of me, wait, why do we have these? And it's because if I don't like these tops, I can put that there. Okay, I see. Okay. Wild. I will say that. It is definitely a wild. And this is where you set your clock. Up, down, time mode. And time. Oh, good grief. That would be wild. I like that. That's something I can. Okay. Definitely something I'd have never picked up for myself. But I guess things are what they're used for. Okay. All right. And you get a little screwdriver to change them up if you don't like that tops. All right. Okay. That's interesting. Let's go with this next. All right. So we have. I'm not sure. Oh, is this the game? No. This is the Godzilla Bowl. Eat like a god. Okay. Enjoy Breakfast of Champions with the Godzilla Bowl by the Twisted Team. Okay. All right. I can get down with that one. All right. Interesting. Weird, but interesting. Okay, there goes that part. Next, we have another box. Ooh. Oh, this is the... Oh. Hades and Persephone's wine cup. Enjoy a cup of wine with the stainless steel exclusive wine cup by the Twisted Team. Talk about huge. All right. Very interesting. Okay. All right. I'm going to open it. Let's see here. I'm going to take these off for a second. All right. We have this mushroom, the Last of Us Light. Keep the... Oh, okay. There we go. Little nightlight. Keep this Cordyceps fungi from using you as a host with this exclusive nightlight from the Twisted Team. Okay. All right. Cute. This one. I'm not quite sure. I think this is... Yeah, this must be the Games of Thrones. It's a music box. Okay. There's that. Watch out for Mother Dragon of Dragons. She might just bring the end of times with the music box. Winter's coming. Ours is the Fury. Okay. So that is the music box. So this big one. Holy crap. Oh. This one is The Walking Dead. And holy moly, this is a burner and case. Whoa. Let's do it this way. Holy moly. Okay. That's pretty cool. Did I accidentally? I think it was supposed to go the other way. Or I don't know. There we go. Holy crap. All right. Okie dokie. Oh, should have done it this way. Kind of cool. Holy moly. And last but not least is the book, which is Winter Harvest by Iona. Oh, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this woman's last name because I will butcher it, and I'm not about to try to butcher someone's name. So let's get this open and see the book. When her beloved daughter, Corey, vanishes, Dimitri is distraught. Suspecting betrayal and mistrusting of her family, she searches across the world, unable to come to terms with such a loss. But Demetra is one of the original goddess of Mount Olympus, and forced not to be underestimated. She's determined that she will find her daughter, even if it means destroying humanity in the process. Winter Harvest is a brand new, dark reimagining of the tale of Demetra and Persephone by the Greek author, and I'm not pronouncing her name because I've already mispronounced it, steeped in lore and with a deep understanding of many different facets of Demetra's personality. This retelling will change your perspective on one of the most well-known stories in Greek mythology. Interesting. There is the cover. There's that side. This side. The book. And the other side of that. Okay. And here is the author, if you can see. So, the book sounds interesting. I don't remember the story, to be honest. All the stuff that I got. Holy moly. There's probably one thing I said that I didn't care for, but the rest of it was kind of nice. And I don't even know what to do with the cooking thing. What did you think of what I got? Let me know in the comments below. Like the video. And until next time, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day.